If you've ever wondered whether you can insert hyperlinks in Photoshop for PDFs, the short answer is yes, but not in the way most people expect. Photoshop cannot natively create true clickable PDF hyperlinks like professional layout software can. So in this video, I'm going to show you the right way to handle it, what Photoshop can and cannot do, and the best alternatives if you need a professional interactive PDF. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's clear up the most common misconception. A lot of people assume the slice tool can be used to create PDF links, but the slice tool in Photoshop is designed for generating old-style HTML web pages, not interactive PDFs. That means if you create slices and then go to File, Save As, and Export as Photoshop PDF, those links will not stay active. They will be stripped out, and when someone opens the file, they won't be clickable. So if your goal is a PDF with proper embedded hyperlinks, Photoshop is not the best native tool for that job. Now, if you still want to create a PDF that behaves like it has clickable links, there is a workaround that relies on modern PDF readers. Many PDF viewers like Adobe Reader, Apple Preview, Chrome, and Edge can automatically detect plain web addresses inside the document. So the trick is to type the full URL directly onto your canvas as text. You need to use the complete raw destination, including the http:// or https:// prefix. For example, type https://www.yourwebsite.com instead of just yourwebsite.com. That prefix is what helps the PDF viewer recognize it as a link. To do this in Photoshop, select the horizontal type tool, which is the T icon in the toolbar. Click on your design where you want the URL to appear, and type the full web address exactly as you want it to show. You can style it to look like a standard link if you want, such as using blue text and underlining it, but the most important part is that the URL must be written as plain text. Photoshop is not actually inserting a clickable hyperlink object here. Instead, you are creating text that modern PDF viewers may automatically convert into a clickable hotspot when the file is opened. Once your text is in place, go to File, then Save As, or Save a Copy, and choose Photoshop PDF from the Format dropdown. Make sure you save the file properly and keep the PDF as settings appropriate for your project. After that, open the PDF in a reader that supports auto detection, and you should see the web address appear as a clickable link. This is a useful option if you need something simple and you do not have access to premium layout software. That said, if you need the most professional and reliable PDF hyperlink workflow, Adobe Acrobat is the best choice for final link editing and PDF interactivity. If you are working on multi-page layouts, brochures, reports, catalogs, or any design-heavy document, Adobe InDesign is the better tool from the start. InDesign is built for layout and interactive exports, so it handles hyperlinks much more cleanly than Photoshop ever will. So here's the simple rule. Use Photoshop for basic visual design, then rely on plain text URLs if you want auto-detected links in supported PDF readers. Use Adobe Acrobat if you need professional PDF standards and precise hyperlink control. And use Adobe InDesign if you're building layouts or multi-page PDFs with proper interactivity from the beginning. I hope this clears things up and saves you a lot of time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want a follow-up on how to add links in Acrobat or InDesign. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.